Welcome back to Quiz Cognito. How good are you with numbers? Test yourself with these 60 challenging questions and find out. Think you can ace them all? Let's go. Easy level, ready? Let's go. Let's start with a simple one. What is 5 plus 5? That's right, you get 10. Can you solve 3 times 3? Well spotted, you get 9. 12 minus 7, what do you get? Excellent, you get 5. Think carefully. 16 divided by 4. Good observation. This equals 4. 7 plus 7. Correct. This equals 14. Multiply 5 by 5. Well spotted. You get 25. 14 minus 6. What's the result? Excellent. You get 8. 18 divided by 3? Good observation. This equals 6. 7 plus 9. What do you get? Correct. This equals 16. Think fast. 6 times 4. Well spotted. You get 24. Can you solve 8 plus 6 times 2? Well spotted. You get 20. Divide 12 by 3, then add 7. What's the answer? Excellent. This equals 11. Subtract 4 times 2 from 15. Can you do it? Good observation. You get 7. Divide 18 by 6 and add 5. What do you get? Correct. This equals 8. Add 10 and 14 divided by 2. Can you solve it? Well spotted. You get 17. Congrats making it through the easy level. Ready for medium level? Let's go. Divide 30 by 6 and add 10 times 2. Can you solve it? Well spotted. You get 23. Add 9 and 3 divided by 2, then add 10. What do you get? Good observation. The answer is 16. Add 30 to 15. What do you get? That's right, it is 45. Think carefully. 56 divided by 8. What do you get? That's right, you get 7. 12 divided by 4 plus 6 times 3. Well spotted, you get 21. 20 minus 9. That's correct. That equals 11. 8 times 3 minus 5 plus 2, what is the answer? That's right, 21. 72 divided by 7. That's right, you get 8. Think first. 11 times 5. What do you get? Good call. That is 55. 90 minus 33 equals? That's right. You get 57. 9 times 2 plus 16 divided by 4. Correct. That is 22. What is 20 divided by 5 plus 8 times 3? That is right. You get 29. What does 8 times 7 give? You got it, 56. 13 times 3, what do you get? Correct, 39. 6 times 4 minus 12 divided by 3 equals? Awesome, you get 20. Thanks for watching. If you want more quizzes like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out. Make sure to check out our previous videos to continue learning. See you in the next one.